Protecting your truck bed isn't just about keeping things dry, it's about security, organization, and making your truck more useful day to day. Whether you haul tools, groceries, or gear, a solid bed cover helps keep your cargo safe from weather and theft. With options ranging from hard folding to fully retractable designs, there's something out there for every kind of truck owner. In this video, we're looking at 6 of the best truck bed covers for 2026, covers that stand out for their build, ease of use, and everyday practicality. Product links are listed in the description below. Number 6. Extang Solid Fold ALX. If you're after a no-fuss, sturdy, hard folding cover, the Extang Solid Fold ALX makes a strong case. This model is built for truck owners who want reliable bed protection without dealing with tools or complicated installs. The cover comes fully assembled right out of the box, which means you can have it on and ready in just a few minutes. The Solid Fold ALX uses aircraft-grade aluminum panels, giving it strength without unnecessary weight. It's tough enough to support snow or heavy gear and resists denting from everyday use. One standout feature is its rotary latch system, which replaces the standard pull cables with a one-handed, easy-to-reach release near the rear panel. There's no interference with your tailgate, so you can open and close it freely, whether the cover is locked or not. Weather resistance is handled well with hinge caps, rubber seals, and a watertight perimeter, helping to keep moisture and debris out of the truck bed. It also automatically latches when you fold it down, giving you added peace of mind without any extra steps. Usability is a major strength here. The cover can be removed in seconds if you need full access to your truck bed, and it folds up in sections if you just need to load a large item. For anyone looking for a strong, simple solution with low-maintenance design, the Extang Solid Fold ALX is an easy pick. It offers a great balance of durability, protection, and quick setup. Number 5. UnderCover SE One-Piece Hard Tonneau Cover. For truck owners who value solid protection and a clean, streamlined look, the UnderCover SE delivers just that. This is a one-piece hard-shell tonneau cover made from durable ABS composite, offering full bed coverage in a single seamless design. It's built to keep your gear protected from the elements while also improving your truck's overall profile. The cover features a textured matte finish that resists scratches and UV damage. Its single-piece hinge eliminates weak spots, giving it better structural integrity compared to folding models. You'll also find thoughtful additions like a twist-lock handle for secure access and a built-in LED light that helps in low-light situations. When it comes to installation and day-to-day use, this cover keeps things straightforward. It lifts easily thanks to dual gas struts, much like a car hood. You can raise or lower it with one hand, and when needed, it can be removed entirely in just a few minutes, no tools required. Despite its strength, it's light enough for one person to handle solo. The weather-tight seal does a solid job of keeping out rain, snow, and dust, making it a great option for year-round use. Because it's a single-piece unit, it's best suited for users who don't need to access the full bed frequently, but want maximum protection when it's closed. If you're after a low-profile, aerodynamic cover that adds both function and style to your truck, the UnderCover SE is a dependable choice. Number 4. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. If you're looking for a reliable hard cover that offers flexibility without going over budget, the Gator EFX Hard Trifold is worth a close look. It brings together solid materials, a straightforward design, and everyday practicality, all at a mid-range price point. The cover is built from heavy-duty aluminum panels coated in a black powder finish, making it resistant to scratches, dings, and rust. Its trifold configuration allows for quick access to the truck bed by folding 1, 2, or all 3 sections toward the cab. The quick-release latch system makes operating it simple, even with one hand. One of its stronger features is water management. Rubber perimeter seals and built-in drain tubes help direct water away from the bed, keeping your cargo dry even in heavy rain. The low-profile design fits flush with your truck bed rails, giving it a clean, factory-like appearance. Installing the Gator EFX is straightforward. It uses a clamp-on rail system that doesn't require any drilling, and the panels fold easily in sections. Prop rods are included to keep the cover open if you need full bed access. Despite its price, the Gator EFX performs like a more expensive model. It's strong enough to support snow load, stays secure during highway driving, and can be left partially open for taller cargo. For truck owners who want hardcover protection with fold-away versatility, the Gator EFX strikes a smart balance between price and performance, especially if you're not ready to step into the premium range just yet. Number 3. Retrax EQ 0484-1 Electric Retractable Tonneau Cover. For those who value modern convenience and high-end function, the Retrax EQ 0484-1 stands out. This is an electric retractable tonneau cover designed to give you control at your fingertips without sacrificing durability or security. It's a smart option for truck owners who want full bed access with zero physical effort. The standout feature here is the wireless app integration. You can open, close, or pause the cover from your smartphone or included remote, making it ideal for those who prefer touch-of-a-button functionality. There's also an integrated LED lighting system with auto shut-off to help you see into the bed at night without draining your battery. The cover slides on sealed ball-bearing rollers, which means no springs to wear out over time, and a much smoother glide. It's made from reinforced polycarbonate slats, which are durable enough to handle harsh conditions while maintaining a lighter overall weight. Installation is designed to be as hassle-free as possible. Once mounted, the cover can open to any point along the rails, not just fully open or closed. A built-in electromagnetic brake keeps it locked in place wherever you stop it, giving you flexible access without needing extra clips or clamps. The flush-mounted fit keeps the look clean and low profile, blending into the truck bed like a factory upgrade. If you're a truck owner who values tech-forward features, hands-free operation, and solid construction, the Retrax EQ 0484-1 offers a refined and reliable solution that feels modern without being overly complicated. Number 2. Retrax EQ Manual Electric Hybrid Retractable Cover. If you're after the convenience of electric operation but don't want to give up the option of manual control, the Retrax EQ Manual Electric Hybrid Retractable Cover offers the best of both worlds. This hybrid model gives you full control through smartphone integration but also allows manual override, a feature that comes in handy if the battery ever runs low or you're off-grid. Built with matte finish polycarbonate slats, this cover is tough, lightweight, and resistant to both scratches and UV damage. It maintains its shape in hot or cold weather, making it a solid year-round solution for keeping your cargo safe and dry. The app-controlled motorized system lets you open and close the cover remotely, and you can stop it anywhere along the track. The built-in electromagnetic brake ensures the cover stays locked at whatever position you choose. In case of power loss, it simply switches to manual operation, giving you full access without being stuck. Installation is straightforward thanks to a plug-and-play wiring harness, and the compact canister tucks away neatly at the front of the bed, so it doesn't eat up much space. There's also a key lock for added security when the truck is parked. The overall profile is slim and low-key with a flush fit that won't stick out or rattle around on the road. For truck owners who want electric functionality with manual backup, this hybrid Retrax model is a reliable pick, offering control, security, and peace of mind no matter where the road takes you. Number 1. BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Topping the list is the Backflip G2, a premium hard-folding tonneau cover that's built for truck owners who want flexibility, protection, and solid long-term value. It's one of the most widely used covers on the market, and for good reason. It handles nearly every situation a truck owner might face, from daily commutes to heavy-duty hauling. The G2 is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum panels with a black powder-coated finish that resists scratches and holds up well in all weather. Its low-profile design blends into the truck bed rails for a clean, unobtrusive look, and the overall fit feels like it belongs on the truck from the factory. Key functionality includes the ability to fold the cover completely forward and lock it in place against the cab, allowing full access to the bed without needing to remove anything. It also features an integrated drainage system to channel water away and a dual-action tailgate seal that works whether your tailgate opens first or last. Installing the Backflip G2 is straightforward with a clamp-on, no-drill setup. It locks automatically when your tailgate is shut, keeping your cargo secure without the need for additional hardware. This cover also lets you choose custom fold positions, which means you can keep part of the bed covered while hauling taller items. It's built to be as flexible as your lifestyle demands. For anyone needing dependable storage, full access on command, and proven weather protection, the Backflip G2 is a smart, capable choice that delivers every time. That wraps up our list of the top 6 truck bed covers for 2026. Whether you need full bed access, electric control, or simple weather protection, there's an option here to match your truck and your needs. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. Product links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear guides and truck accessory reviews.